Welcome back to Luxury Motorhome, and prepare to have your idea of luxury travel completely redefined. Today, we are taking an exclusive first look at a visionary vehicle that has been dominating the digital conversation, the 2026 Celestial Voyager. This is not just a motorhome, it's a terrestrial yacht, a rolling architectural masterpiece that promises to deliver an unprecedented experience of the open road. From its stunning, almost unbelievable exterior to the palatial two-story living space, the Celestial Voyager sets a new benchmark for what a home on wheels can be. Let's begin with the exterior, the very sight of which is breathtaking. The Celestial Voyager completely breaks the mold of traditional RV design. It is built on a heavy-duty multi-axle truck chassis, giving it a commanding presence, but the shell is anything but utilitarian. Clad in a sleek silver chrome finish, the body flows in one continuous aerodynamic loop, reminiscent of a luxury ocean liner or a spacecraft. The most striking feature is the enormous double-decker panoramic glass, which dominates the entire right side of the vehicle. This curved, tinted floor-to-ceiling glazing is engineering brilliance, dissolving the boundary between the interior and the spectacular coastal highway it's pictured cruising. The upper level features a signature, C-shaped light bar that sweeps over the roof, lending it that celestial look, especially at dusk. Down below, the custom-machined multi-spoke alloy wheels are not just for show. They are built for stability and to handle the sheer weight of this two-story mansion. Every line, every joint, every LED light panel screams bespoke, high-end design making every pit stop feel like a red carpet event. Stepping inside the Celestial Voyager is truly transformative. You are immediately enveloped by an atmosphere of minimalist, modern luxury. The interior is a study in open-concept living, capitalizing on the expansive width and the two-story height. On the main floor, the front section houses a professional-grade kitchen, or galley featuring a full-size induction cooktop, a custom panel refrigerator, and a cantilevered dining island made of polished dark quartz. The rear of the main level opens up into a chic lounge area with bespoke low-profile modular seating and a state-of-the-art entertainment center with an integrated sound system. The palette is a soothing blend of light leather, brushed metallic accents, and rich dark wood flooring, all illuminated by concealed, dimmable LED mood lighting. The upper deck is the Celestial Voyager's crown jewel, accessed via a sculptural spiraling staircase. This entire floor is dedicated to the owner's suite and private spaces. The primary bedroom is a sanctuary, dominated by a king-size electronically adjustable bed positioned to take full advantage of the panoramic upper window. Imagine waking up to that ocean view. The suite also includes a walk-in wardrobe and a spa-like master bathroom, complete with a rainfall shower, smart glass privacy control, and heated floors. The forward section of the upper level appears to be a separate, more intimate living space or perhaps a dedicated home office, giving travelers a complete separation of living, working, and resting environments, something virtually unheard of in a motorhome. Powering all of this is an expectedly robust, all-electric or high-performance hybrid system, incorporating a massive rooftop solar array to ensure true off-grid independence for days on end. Now let's talk about performance, because a vehicle this size and this ambitious needs power and stability. While the exact specifications are tightly guarded, industry speculation points toward a high-torque electric powertrain, likely drawing on next-generation battery technology, coupled with a potent diesel generator for range extension. We anticipate over 1,500 pound-feet of torque delivered to all 6 wheels, giving it the necessary grunt to traverse steep inclines like the one we see in the image, all while maintaining a remarkably smooth and quiet ride. Advanced air ride suspension with adaptive damping is a certainty, crucial for isolating the two-story structure from road imperfections. Driver assistance is also top-tier, featuring L3 semi-autonomous driving capabilities, 360-degree cameras, and advanced stability management designed for its unique size and height. Cruising is expected to be effortless, with a range speculated to be in the 800-mile-plus bracket thanks to its hybrid efficiency, making cross-country journeys less about refueling and more about the destination. Finally, the question everyone asks: the price. Given the bespoke construction, the sheer scale of the panoramic glass, the advanced powertrain, and the use of ultra-premium materials throughout the dual levels, the Celestial Voyager sits firmly at the very top of the luxury vehicle market. While a base model might hypothetically start in the $3.5 to $4 million USD range, A fully optioned-out model, complete with all the unique interior appointments, advanced solar systems, and custom smart home technology, is easily projected to surpass the $8 million USD mark. This is a vehicle for a clientele that demands unparalleled luxury, absolute performance, and a statement that no other motorhome can make. So there you have it, our first deep dive into the 2026 Celestial Voyager. It is a stunning blend of avant-garde design, revolutionary engineering, and five-star luxury, proving that the future of travel will be as much about the journey as the destination. But what do you think? Is this the ultimate motorhome? Would you trade your current home for this mansion on wheels cruising the world's most scenic routes? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more exclusive luxury vehicle reviews, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the world of elite travel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the open road. Karisane.